So what juice are we using today?
We're using a Breville. I'm gonna try to drink it every day.
Every day?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to drink it every day. But I'm gonna try to drink it for until my body gets tired and tells me, Brian, you don't want any more celery juice. I don't know how long that's gonna be. What if that's like a year? Like drinking straight up celery juice every single day.
Wait, are you gonna record a video every time you juice?
No, that's too much work, man. I gotta record Ronald for his YouTube channel. If you guys didn't know, he has a YouTube channel, so I have to help him out. And I run a company on the side as well. Might be the Origins. We sell supplements. That takes a lot of time. So that's why I'm not able to pull out videos constantly, because I have other things on the side that I'm doing. But one thing I do want to mention is that this celery juice for us is nothing new. My brother has been promoting it, been talking about it for years. When's the first time you made a video on that, Ronald?
Probably like 7 years ago.
7 years ago. That's when he first started his channel. My mom used to have arthritis. This was one of the juices she would take and drink probably like every single day to get better, along with like other things that she would do, lemon and water, organic sulfur, a whole bunch of other stuff she did to get better from arthritis.
She would drink a liter a day.
A liter a day. I'm not gonna do a liter, man.
Come on, Brian.
Nah, I'm gonna do a cup, bro. That's enough for me. You recording?
Yeah, I'm recording now.
Alright, cool. Look, I got a whole bunch of celery. What do you call a whole thing of celery?
I don't know.
Like a celery stalk?
No, those are stalks of celery.
Is this stalk of celery?
Yeah, how many you got?
Why is it called a stalk? If you like drink too much celery juice, you become a stalker. It's a bad joke, right?
That's a bad joke.
That's such a bad joke. Alright, anyway, alright, let's get started. Let's make this juice. Things first, you gotta connect or else it won't work. I went to college for this.
You did go to college, right?
Yeah, man.
Did you?
Of course I did, bro. Come on. Alright, one thing for sure is that you should definitely not chug this. Like a fine wine. I don't even drink wine.
Are you really gonna do this?
What, every day?
Yeah.
Hey man, that's pretty easy. I could do it every day.
Does that mean, wait, are we gonna see you tomorrow doing the same thing?
Depends when I upload this video. If I'm able to upload this today or possibly tomorrow. Today is Wednesday. So if I upload this on Thursday, then maybe I will upload the other one on Friday. Well, anyway, I'm gonna drink the rest of this. I know I just said I don't want to chug it, but I kind of feel like chugging it. I feel like chugging this right now.
You want to get it done with?
Yeah, because I just...
Alright, so I see spinach, blueberries, bananas.
Blueberries.
Blueberries. You forgot blueberries. I said blueberries. Blueberries.
I love it, man. I love blueberries. I've had a whole bunch of different types of blueberries, and this isn't a promotion for this brand.
No one's gonna sponsor you, man. Come on.
Hey, man, you never know. I know I don't have a big YouTube channel, but still, man, come on. So people can sponsor me. I sponsor myself. Screw that. All right, this is my favorite brand. I've tried a lot of frozen blueberries, Trader Joe's, Costco, all that. They all suck, man. This is my favorite one. These aren't organic, but it's because, why am I even trying to promote these people? Man, screw it. These are my favorite, period. So let's pour some in here. I don't do measurements right now because people always want measurements, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's too much work. Just like, have a feel for it. 2 bananas. These are from Trader Joe's. Got the blueberries at Whole Foods. Now I'm gonna have some spinach. Add some greens to this, man. Be healthy. A lot of people are really like, oh, you're gonna put greens in there? You're gonna ruin the smoothie. I'm like, no. You can barely taste it. You have so much fruit in there. How are you gonna taste it, man? Goja.
They might sponsor you.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I'm using their pulp because it's hard to find mangoes right now, man. It really is. So I'm gonna use some blueberries as well, like non-frozen blueberries. So I like to do that a little bit. Put it in there. And I'm gonna add some strawberries. I'm also add a couple of dates. Ooh, these dates are really good. These are the best. The best in the world. They were called, what are they called?
7 hot dates.
7 hot dates. Yeah. They couldn't just have one date. They had to have 7 dates.
Makes sense.
Adding 2 dates to make this smoothie a little bit more sweet. Because if I don't, it's not gonna taste good. Oh, you know what I should add? I should add our green powder. All right, so let's add some green powder. Use 1 scoop. All right, and I'm gonna use some water. A lot of you worry about what kind of water you use, what kind of water you should use. Oh, you should be using aqua water. You should be using this kind of water. Oh, you should be using that kind of water. Well, when I used to live in Maryland, I used to drink spring water. We used to go to an actual spring and like get our own water. But ever since I moved here to California, like there's no springs, man. So, man, you just get the best water you can. All right, let's blend this baby. All right, this smoothie is done. Let's try it out. It's good, man.
Come on, man, I'm hungry.
All right, man, we're gonna have burritos tonight. I didn't have lunch. This is kind of like my lunch / dinner. Anyway, we're gonna make burritos tonight, but beforehand, I already preheated my oven, and I'm gonna have some of these fries from Trader Joe's. I like it. I like fries, man. There's something you gotta know about me is that I like fries. All right. So first things first, I'm gonna make the guacamole.
Okay.
I'm gonna make my own guacamole. I'm gonna try to do this super fast.
So 2 avocados, right?
2 avocados.
All
These
right.
are very small avocados. Just 2 avocados. Right here, I'm chopping cilantro.
Look at that. Oh, wow.
Hey, man. They don't call me Chef Bryan for nothing. So just put that in there. So I'm gonna chop this tomato.
Wow, who taught you that, Bryan?
Tomato.
Yeah, I mean, I like lycopene.
Put this tomato in there.
No, but you don't like onions.
No, I like onions in my guacamole.
You do?
Just like I don't like to eat onions like in burgers or sandwiches and stuff.
Why?
Because it gives you bad breath, dude. Had some from last time when I made. What did I make last time?
Pizza.
Oh yeah, for the pizza. Oh, I haven't uploaded that video yet, guys. It's a vegan keto pizza. Maybe I'll upload it one of these days. I already have it edited and everything. Just like waiting for the right time to upload it. So all we do now is just mix all this stuff together.
Oh, really?
Yeah, man.
Wow, that actually looks really, really...
Yeah, it looks really good. I'm gonna add like like a pinch of salt on here. Look, I sprinkled a little bit.
A pepper?
Yeah, my mom taught me this.
You learn from the
So
best.
you just want to avoid as much oxygen entering the guacamole as possible. So what you do is, instead of like wrapping it like this,
Yeah?
you just like tuck it in like that.
But are we gonna get like the plastic residual from it?
What?
Yeah, you get like the plastic residual. You get all those, estrogens, Bryan.
If you live like that, you're not living, bro.
Alright, so now we got peppers, huh?
All right, yeah, we got 2 peppers right here. We got a green bell pepper and a red bell pepper, and we have some tempeh. So what we're gonna do now is just, I like peppers, man. Don't you like peppers, Roman?
When I was younger,
Yeah.
when I was a kid, I didn't enjoy it.
Yeah, I didn't enjoy it either.
It wasn't my thing, but the
Yeah.
flavor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Freaking Martha Stewart, or maybe it's my fault. This is a Martha Stewart can opener. Look at this, it doesn't even spin, dude. Oh man, this thing's cheap. All right, so I got my bell peppers and I have tempeh right here. Tempeh, I cut it kind of like in half. I did my best. At the end of it, after I cook it and everything, I'm gonna chop it into small pieces. So I don't really care the way it looks right now. I'm also gonna be having beans, Eden organic beans. I like these beans because they're very low in sodium and they don't give me any gas. And then I made some brown rice, which I already made. You guys should already know how to make rice. All right, guys, so the coconut oil melted. If you guys are curious what coconut oil I use Kirkland, Costco brand. It's pretty good. Always been using it. That thing lasts forever. We got like that big one. I don't know when we're gonna finish using it. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is cook the tempeh, just because this takes a little bit longer to get cooked. Because bell peppers probably take like 5 minutes to get ready. So I'm gonna do this first because this takes a lot longer. And then once I see that it turns like brown on both sides, I'm gonna flip it on one side once it turns brown, and then flip it again once the other side turns brown. And that'll be an indication that it's ready.
Tempeh looks great.
Yeah, dude, everything is done. The beans are already done. That's like it doesn't really take that long. So I'll put that in low heat. All right, so I got the bell peppers, and now I have the tempeh. It's kind of hot. Now I'm gonna cut the tempeh up a little bit. So look, I'm gonna just leave it like that, like in strips.
Yeah.
Put it in there, and there we go. And there we go. So now, I'm gonna just put some sauce in there. This is one of my favorite sauces. It's a barbecue sauce. It's from Robbie's. I got it I think I got it at Whole Foods. I'm not really sure. This is like because it only has 40 milligrams of sodium. All right, so let's pour some in here. And everything is hot, so it's perfect. Man.
Yeah.
All right, so that's all mixed up. And now, it's the fun part. We're gonna prep everything up.
Ooh, so now we got tortillas.
Yes, sir. Just pretend like you're in Chipotle right now.
Okay, yeah.
Rice or beans?
Now let me get brown rice.
You want brown rice?
I like brown rice, yes. Let me
Perfect.
get some brown rice.
All right. So I think that's enough rice. Black or
beans.
pinto beans?
No, I want black.
Chili beans? Oh, you want black? Okay.
I want black. I want black.
Good for you.
Because that's all we have.
Yes, that's all we have. So we got black beans. Let's pour some in here.
And then you gotta get that fiber in there, you know?
That fiber optics.
Yes.
Fiber optics. Oh, I love saying that. I don't know why.
You always say a whole bunch of random stuff.
Yeah, I don't know.
Alright.
Alright, so we got that. We got that in the bag. You want guacamole? No guacamole.
No, that's at the end. That's at the end.
Oh yeah, I was
That's
rushing.
at the end. You gotta ask me what meat I want.
Oh yeah, what kind of meat do you want?
Well, I don't
What
want.
kind of meat do you guys
I don't
want?
want chicken this time. Do you have sofritas?
Sofritas? No, I'm sorry, we're sold out.
You're sold out.
But we have tempeh
I'll
with
take-
bell peppers.
I'll take the tempeh. Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, let me get
man.
some of those veggies as well. Oh, that looks great. Yeah.
That looks amazing.
Are you gonna be able to close that?
Sir, if I'm not able to, they might as well fire me.
How much is the guacamole?
Guacamole? No, let me see if we have any in stock. Let me open down here. Oh yes, we happen to have some guacamole in stock.
You got guacamole. Oh yeah.
Yes, 50 cents.
We're such storks.
Sir, are you okay with $1.50 for guacamole?
Yeah, I'm okay with that. Yeah.
Okay, but I like you. I'm gonna give it to you for free.
Oh,
Don't
really?
tell my boss. So, bang. And bang. Do you want cheese or no cheese?
Oh, no cheese. No cheese.
No cheese?
Lactose intolerant.
All the way from... It's made in Canada? I didn't know that.
Oh,
Canada.
it's Canadian.
All the way from Canada. Hey?
I just want a little bit.
Wait, do you want cheese?
Yeah, I just want a little bit.
Alright, so you do want cheese. Tell me when to stop.
Stop right there.
I didn't put any on there.
That's good enough. That's all I need.
Alright,
That's
this one's
all I
mine.
need.
This is probably the hardest part for me of prepping all this stuff.
You put too much.
It's closing them in.
You put too much.
No. I've seen the way people do it in Chipotle. Employees,
Really?
they
Yeah,
go like
yeah. That's
this.
because they have a tortilla that's like 2 times bigger than the one you have right
Yeah,
here.
I know. But I'm a pro, man. Don't worry, I'm gonna close this. It's gonna look. Wait, alright, I got this. Come on, Brian. Come on, man. This isn't hard.
Oh my God. Here it comes. Oh no. You got it.
That's the way they do in Chipotle, bro. Look at that. Huh? Yeah. Like how you like that? It's not.
Wow,
perfect.
man, you really did it
So
well.
now I'm gonna put it on here, so it can toast a little bit. And then I'll flip it on the other side after like a few minutes, and then, oh man, this one's gonna be hard. And then it'll be ready. Guys, how do you rate my wrapping burrito skills? Burrito wrapping skills, I mean. On a scale of 1 to 10. Please let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. This one's yours.
This one's mine?
Yeah, that one's for you. This one's for me.
Nice.
Look how perfectly wrapped that one is.
Wow, wait. Let me go ahead and turn it around.
Alright guys, so this looks really, really good. Like I'm salivating right now. Let's try this thing out. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, from seeing what I eat in a day, you guys saw that my diet consists of celery juice, burritos, and fries. You gotta balance everything out, right? You gotta balance it out. Green juice, some burritos. Anyway, this I like to think this is pretty healthy, what I just made. Except for like, nah, that thing is healthy, man. Screw that. Compared to the junk you get outside, if you go,
It's all mental, Brian. It's all mental.
Yeah,
it's all mental.
It's all in the mind, man. It's all in the mind.
Yeah.
All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next. And I apologize if this video ended up pretty long. I'm gonna try to cut it as much as possible. Well, you guys will have already seen what this. I don't know what I'm trying to say. All right. I just want to eat right now because it smells really good and my food's getting cold. So peace out. I'll see you guys next time. Follow me on Instagram, Bryan Moscoso _. And peace out. Yeah, I said peace out 2 times. 3 times now. All right, bye.